Monitor the temperature spike during the final sequence.
Roger that. Everything is stable. We have a successful flash. The vibration dampening is holding steady at 80 kL per hour.
Noted. Let's increase the load by 10%.
The documentation for the gray models is complete.
All right, move them to staging lane 3.
The scooters for the Jakarta shipment are confirmed and ready. Please update the manifest.
Carrier 1, you are cleared for departure. Proceed slowly to gate 3. Keep it steady around the bend. We are clear on the east side.
Confirmed. Coming through now.
Straps and anchors secure.
Shocks verified. Seal indicators are intact.
Confirmation logged. The carrier is ready.
Manifest cross-referenced. Shipment 402 cleared.
Copy that. Signing off now.
All units, spacing is holding at 50 meters. Watch for the merge coming up on the left.
Shipment data synchronized. Regional clearance confirmed.
Route 72 Delta, you are clear for departure.
Confirming alignment on the port side.
Looks clear. Proceed with the hoist activation.
This one goes to staging area 3.
Confirmed. Updating the manifest now.
Checkpoint Gamma is clear.
Temperature steady at 20. Good to proceed.
This red section indicates a delay in Sector 4.
I'm activating the alternate route now. The timeline is adjusted. Torque is good.
Levels check out. Ready for staging.
All points cleared on the manifest.
Regional dispatch approved. Straps secured on this side.
And the pins are locked.
All right, manifest confirmed.
Clamps engaging. Pressure stabilized.
Acknowledged. Secure for transport.
Route assignment confirmed for the graphite scooter. Finalized for regional delivery.
Acknowledged. We are clear to load.
Bay 3, keep coming back slow. Easy now and hold it right there. Clear.
Approaching final descent. Check balance sensors.
All green. Touchdown in 3.
Verified.
Route 4 centralized. Confirmed secure.
Confirmed. Ready for pickup.
Checking the QR scan now. Looks good.
Approved for last mile release.
Carrier stability nominal.
Confirmed. Clear for departure.
Everything checks out on the manifest. Handing over for final inspection.
Looks good. I'll clear it in the system.
Confirming safety locks engaged on the west side.
Confirmed. All green for handover. Final readiness confirmed. Approved for customer release.
Your new metallic graphite scooter is prepared and ready for the road. Congratulations!
All systems green across the board.
Confirmed. Cycle is complete.
Looks like we're well ahead of schedule on the graphite run.
Yes, the efficiency parameters are holding steady. Calibration levels on the laser array are stable.
Yes, the post-process diagnostics confirm readiness for the next shift.